I feel boring?
Wait, no, I'm bored or boring?
The TV is bored?
No, I think I am boring.
Listen, Ed is your feeling, ing is the reason. You feel bored because the show is boring.
I feel bored now.
The show is boring. I feel interested.
The book is interesting. I feel annoyed.
Because the toy keeps rolling around, it's annoying.
Exactly, you feel annoyed because something is annoying. But remember, if you say someone is annoying, that can be rude. Always talk about the thing, not the person. Now let's try embarrassed and embarrassing. Mia, Johan, can you think of a time you felt embarrassed?
I felt embarrassed when I tripped in front of my friends.
Spilling juice, that was embarrassing.
Exactly, you feel embarrassed because of the embarrassing action. Ed is your feeling, ing is the reason. Let's review one last time. Who can tell me the rule?
Ed is your feeling.
Ing is the reason.
Perfect, you all remembered.